Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create the trending AI art gallery effect, a stunning photo edit where your image looks like it's displayed in a modern art gallery using Google Gemini's Nano Banana. It's super easy, completely free, and only takes a few minutes. So let's get started. First, just open your Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or to the app like this, and then just log in with your Google account. And once you're in, just tap on create image to activate the nano banana, or you can also tap on tools and then create images like this. This is Google News AI tool that lets you edit and transform photo instantly using just a text prompt. Next, just upload the photo. You can use a selfie or any portrait photo that you want to transform. Make sure the face is clear and valid because the AI will use it as a reference to create a realistic result. Just tap on plus button to upload the image and then just choose your photo. And when you're done, just type your prompt. Before I have already prepared one prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt, but feel free if you want to change it, if you want to tweak it, maybe like change the details as you like to match your style. Just feel free to tweak it. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then paste it and then just generate. And okay, like this, your AI art gallery portrait is ready. Look how realistic and artistic that looks. The lighting and then the texture, even the painting styles, it all looks like a real gallery shot. And okay, maybe that's it. That's how you can create the viral AI art gallery effect using Google Gemini's Nano Banana. And okay, maybe that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.